Solving linear system of equations both algebraically and graphically for special cases. We have these two equations that form a system. We need to solve them. First, we need to solve them algebraically. So if we're going to, in this case, look at x plus y equals 6, which is equation 1, and look at 2x plus 2y equals 12, which is equation 2, we can notice that we have coefficient x is 2, coefficient y is 2, and we have 12, and they have the greatest common divisor 2. So if we divide all of this equation, which is 2x plus 2y equals 12, if we divide all the equation, both sides of the equation by 2, we are going to have x plus y equals 6. So this is supposedly equation 2. So if we look at equation 2 and equation 1, they are the same. Once we have this case, we can conclude that we have infinite number of solutions for this system. So we just have to fix x. So you fix x, and then you find the value of y. So for any value of x, you're going to have a value for y. So this is what we call infinite number of solutions. This is the algebraic interpretation. Now, if you want to interpret it graphically, we need to graph the equation 1 or equation 2. So graphing needs the table of intercepts. So when x is 0, y is 6, and when y is 0, x is 6. So you choose the point 6 and the point 6 on the x and y axis, and you join them. You are going to get this line, which represents equation 1 and equation 2. So what do we mean by interpretation, graphic interpretation? It means that these two equations, they form the same line, so the two lines are coinciding. So this is why we have infinite numbers of solutions, because for any value for x, you just, if we have x4, then we can have the value 2 for y. If we have if we choose x equals 2, then we extend and we find the point of intersection, which belongs to the line, and then the y for this point is 4. So for every x, you have a corresponding value for y. This is why we say we have infinite numbers of solutions. So all these points that are on the line, they intersect, or they are the intersection between these two lines, because they are the same line. So virtually the two lines are coinciding, or they are overlapping. This is why there are infinite points of intersection between them.